Hello and welcome. Today, we'll practice speaking English every day. Speaking English every day is the best way to improve. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to practice. Practice a little every day. Now, listen carefully. Listen and repeat after me. Let us begin. Every day, I practice English. I practice English in the morning. I practice English in the evening. I listen to English every day. I speak English every day. I try to think in English every day. Practice makes me better. Practice makes me confident. Now repeat. I practice English every day. I listen and repeat. I speak slowly and clearly. Good. Now, let us practice simple daily sentences. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine. Thank you. How is your day? My day is good. I am learning English today. Repeat again. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Very good. Now, let us practice talking about daily life. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to school. I stay at home. I talk to people. I listen carefully. I speak slowly. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I start my day. Good job. Now, let us practice simple questions. What is your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. What do you do? I am a student. I am a worker. Repeat. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Excellent. Now, let us practice simple answers. My name is Anna. I am from India. I am learning English. Repeat. My name is underscore. I am from underscore. I am learning English. Very good. Now, let us practice everyday conversations. Hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How is your day? My day is going well. Repeat. Nice to meet you. My day is going well. Great. Now, let us practice speaking with confidence. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am improving step by step. I make mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help me learn. Repeat. I can speak English. I am improving. Good. Now, let us slow down and practice pronunciation. Listen carefully. Practice, practice, practice. English, English, English. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Repeat again. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Excellent. Now, let us practice talking about today. Today is a good day. Today I practice English. Today I feel confident. Repeat. Today is a good day. I practice English today. Good. Now, let us practice short daily phrases. Please, thank you. You are welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. Repeat. Please, thank you. Sorry. Very good. Now, let us practice longer sentences. I am learning English every day. I listen and repeat. I practice speaking slowly. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak with confidence. Repeat. I want to speak English fluently. Great. Now, remember this. You do not need to study for many hours. You only need to practice every day. 10 minutes is good. 20 minutes is better. Listen. Repeat. Speak again. Listen. Repeat. Speak. Very good. Now, let us end with positive sentences. I believe in myself. I can learn English. I will improve every day. Repeat. I believe in myself. I can learn English. Excellent work today. Now, let us continue. Take a deep breath. Relax. Speaking English is okay. You are learning. You are improving. Now listen carefully. Listen and repeat. I practice English at home. I practice English outside. I practice English online. I watch English videos. I listen to English audio. I repeat English sentences. Repeat. I practice English at home. I practice English every day. Good. Now, let us talk about simple feelings. I feel happy. I feel calm. I feel confident. Sometimes I feel nervous. That is okay. I keep practicing. Repeat. I feel confident. I keep practicing. Very good. Now, let us practice daily actions. I open my phone. I read English. I listen to English. I speak English aloud. I repeat again and again. Repeat. I read English. I speak English aloud. Excellent. Now, let us practice short conversations. Hello. How are you? I am fine. How about you? I am doing well. Repeat. How are you? I am doing well. Good job. Now, let us practice talking about time. In the morning, I practice English. In the afternoon, I listen to English. In the evening, I speak English. Repeat. In the morning, I practice English. Very good. Now, let us practice simple opinions. I like learning English. English is interesting. English is useful. Repeat. I like learning English. Nice. Now, let us practice talking about goals. I want to speak English well. I want to understand English. I want to talk to people in English. Repeat. I want to speak English well. Excellent. Now, let us practice common daily sentences. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Repeat. Can you help me? You are welcome. Good. Now, let us practice slow speaking. Listen carefully. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. Repeat. I speak slowly and clearly. Great. Now, let us practice confidence again. I am not afraid to speak. I am learning every day. I am getting better. Repeat. I am getting better every day. Very good. Now, let us practice talking about learning. Learning English takes time. That is okay. I am patient. I practice step by step. I enjoy learning English. Repeat. I enjoy learning English. Excellent. Now, let us practice simple encouragement. Keep going. Do not stop. Practice every day. Repeat. Practice every day. Good. Now, let us slow down again. Listen. Repeat. Speak again. Listen. Repeat. Speak. Very good. Now, let us end this part calmly. You did well today. You practiced English. You made progress. Be proud of yourself. Let us continue. Sit comfortably. Focus on your listening. Now listen and repeat. I learn English every day. I practice even when I am busy. I practice even when I am tired. Practice is important. Practice helps me improve. Repeat. I practice even when I am busy. Good. Now, let us talk about simple daily places. I am at home. I am at work. I am at school. I can practice English anywhere. Repeat. I can practice English anywhere. Very good. Now, let us practice simple sentences for speaking. I have time to practice. I make time to practice. I choose to practice English. Repeat. I choose to practice English. Excellent. Now, let us practice listening carefully. I listen to every word. I listen slowly. I listen clearly. Repeat. I listen carefully. Good. Now, let us practice simple questions and answers. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Are you learning English? Yes, I am learning English. Repeat. Yes, I am learning English. Great. Now, let us practice talking about today. Today, I practice English. Today, I listen carefully. Today, I speak confidently. Repeat. Today, I speak confidently. Nice. Now, let us practice simple encouragement. I am doing well. I am learning step by step. I am improving every day. Repeat. I am improving every day. Very good. Now, let us practice common daily expressions. That is good. That is okay. No problem. Repeat. No problem. Excellent. Now, let us practice simple future sentences. I will practice tomorrow. I will listen again. I will keep learning. Repeat. I will keep learning. Good. Now, let us practice calm speaking. Slow down. Take your time. Speak clearly. Repeat. Take your time. Very good. Now, let us practice speaking about confidence again. I believe in myself. I trust my learning. I trust the process. Repeat. I trust the process. Excellent. Now, let us practice short daily conversations. Hello. How is everything? Everything is good. Thank you. Repeat. Everything is good. Nice. Now, let us practice simple thoughts. Learning English is possible. Anyone can learn English. I can learn English. Repeat. I can learn English. Very good. Now, let us slow down once more. Listen. Repeat. Speak. Again. Listen. Repeat. Speak. Excellent. Now, let us finish this part gently. You practiced well today. You stayed focused. You did not give up. That is very good. Come back again. Practice again tomorrow. Keep learning English. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.